Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are giving it the final casting on, the precast parapet design, as you can see. Yeah, you can see it now. We are giving it the final casting, as you can see. So after the cutter rods, then is the final casting, as you can see, to make it strong. You can see we have done with this area. You can contact us on 080 6309 8718. You can contact us on 080 6309 8718 for precast parapet design, window design, arch design. We then will give you the best. Like I said, it doesn't matter you are in Nigeria or in abroad. We don't disappoint, and we do your work perfectly. We do your work perfectly. As you can see, this building belongs to one of our fans. As you can see, this work is in progress. Our work is in progress, as you can see. God bless her. God will provide money for her as well, so that we can roof this building immediately after the precast parapet design. As you can see, we have done with the main building. We have done with the main building, like I said in my video yesterday. Like I said in my video yesterday, the main building has been done. The glory of God. As you can see, very neat job. We have a very neat job. You can see it's a big job. It's a big project. Yeah. Please subscribe our channel. And don't forget to turn down the notification below so that can be updates when we update the next video. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Please share. Let the whole world to see it. Let the whole world to see it. Thank you. God bless you.